Now, before we begin this project, I just want to point out something with regard to the workspace here inside Photoshop. Now, we're going to be using 3D throughout this project, so it's going to be necessary for us to see multiple documents at the same time, because we're going to be editing the texture files, but then we're also going to need to be able to see the 3D object when we update it. Now, by default, the Photoshop workspace is set up as tabs. As you see right up here, if I just click on a tab, it'll go ahead and go to that document, but I can only see that one and only document, whatever I click on. So it's going to be necessary to go ahead and grab the tab and just pull it out of the application frame and then make it a regular floating window as usual. That way we can see both documents at the same time. This will make it a lot easier when you're editing texture files that are part of the 3D model. Now you can further edit these features by going to the Photoshop Preferences and then go right here to Workspace. Here you can see checkboxes for items such as open documents as tabs and enable floating document window docking. I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck these two items and then go ahead and then restart Photoshop, and that will allow me to move my windows around without them automatically docking into each other. So I just wanted to point that out in the workspace area before we get started on this project.